Today we're diving into the crucial topic of securing your smartphone. With the increasing reliance on mobile devices for personal and professional tasks, it's more important than ever to ensure your device is protected against threats. Let's explore some top tips and tricks to secure your smartphone and safeguard your privacy. First, let's talk about the importance of lock screen security. A strong lock screen is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Use a complex password or PIN that's hard to guess, and consider biometric options like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of someone accessing your device if it's lost or stolen. Next, keep your smartphone's operating system and apps up to date. Manufacturers and app developers frequently release updates that include security patches to protect against new vulnerabilities. By ensuring your device and apps are up to date, you're taking a crucial step in protecting against potential attacks. Be wary of public Wi-Fi networks. While they're convenient, they can also be a breeding ground for hackers looking to intercept your data. Use a virtual private network, VPN, when connecting to public Wi-Fi to encrypt your internet connection and shield your online activities from prying eyes. App permissions deserve your attention. Review the permissions requested by apps before installing them and regularly audit these permissions in your device settings. Grant only the necessary permissions that an app needs to function and be cautious of apps that request access to sensitive information without a clear need. Installing a reputable security app can provide an additional layer of protection. Look for apps that offer features like malware scanning, remote lock and wipe capabilities, and phishing protection. However, choose wisely and avoid downloading security apps from unknown sources, as some may be disguised as security software while actually being malicious. Another crucial tip is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your accounts whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. In addition to your password, it's an effective way to prevent unauthorized access even if someone manages to guess or steal your password. Lastly, be mindful of the information you share online and through your apps. Personal information, such as your location, financial details, and even photos, can be exploited if fallen into the wrong hands. Regularly review the privacy settings on your social media apps and limit the sharing of sensitive information. Securing your smartphone involves a combination of practices, from setting a strong lock screen and updating your software to being cautious about the networks you connect to and the apps you install. By following these tips and tricks, you can significantly enhance the security and privacy of your mobile device. Stay informed, stay secure, and remember, your digital safety is in your hands. Thank you for watching this video on Omniscient. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.